Number 15 on the exam study guide, we are looking for extrema as well as decreasing intervals. Extrema occur when the first derivative is 0 or undefined. So we're going to find the first derivative, set it equal to 0, factor and solve. So the first derivative is 0 at 0 and 4. It is never undefined. I'm not dividing by anything. To show if we have a min or a max at each of those, we're going to use the first derivative test. Make sure you label your table here. We're going to start at negative infinity and go up to 0, go from 0 to 4, 4 to infinity. And we are plugging a value into the first derivative. So if I plug in -1, I'm going to get 12 plus 48, which is positive. If I plug in 1, I get 12 minus 48, which is negative. And if I plug in 5 or 10, 10 would give me 100, 1200 minus 480, positive. So anytime the first derivative changes from positive to negative, that shows we have a maximum. Anytime it changes from negative to positive, that proves we have a minimum. So we have a maximum at x equals 0. To get the y value, you want to take 0 and plug it back into the original equation. So we have a relative maximum value of 2. We have a relative minimum value of whatever you get when you plug in 4. So plugging in 4 gives us negative 126. That's the relative minimum value. And then in part B, identify all intervals on which f of x is decreasing. Our function is increasing if its derivative is positive and decreasing if its derivative is negative. So we are decreasing only on the interval from 0 to 4.